Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I am coming on here to officially let you guys know that I bought Luna at Fool's Insurance. This thing is either going to go to $0 or it is going to go back to maybe like a cent. If the project ends up being saved by Do Kwon or whatever his name is, then I think Luna can rally back up. It definitely has the fundamentals to be in the top 10. I think I only added about really like $200-300 into this, and I'm already up a full 100%. But again, you guys know how I like my Fool's Insurance. I did it with Doggy, I did it with Shiba, I did it with Ape. Ape ended up doing a full 100%. My full account was at like a little bit over 30 grand. I did not sell the top though. I'm just completely holding out. I still think Ape can hit $100 per coin. So I still have my full bag, not selling, but just letting you guys know my official new Fool's Insurance is actually Luna. I currently have about 22 million. I don't expect this to do anything but go to zero. And if this actually ends up running back up to even $1, I am a fucking multimillionaire. So I'm not telling you guys to pump it. I'm not telling you guys to buy. It's just I'm letting you guys know that Luna is officially my new Fool's Insurance. Just putting it out there. If it goes somewhere, cool. If not, I don't really care about losing $500 or the $300 initially that I put in. So far right now, Luna is getting sort of goodish news on Do Kwon coming back to it. I don't know if he is going to save it. I don't think he is. I think he's kind of done with the project. I really don't know what's going to happen. This is literally the definition of what you call a gamble or a lottery ticket. But yeah, just letting you guys know, I officially am in about $200, $300 into Luna. It already returned a full 100%. Just kind of letting it go and seeing what happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.